ka dito.
Joining me for cell number. Swerte na ito, swerte ka na, 8 Ares Perez! Ito siya si Superman, si may paki-smart. Galing na, swerte daw, swerte. Alright, joining just like that, is cell number. Number 1, Charles Rojas. Ito na yung medyo masakit pero masayang portion. I will be calling the last Hulk who will move on to the grand finals. For the other Hulks that will not be called, congratulations still. The Hulk who will move on to the grand finals is song number 5. Number 5, Lina Saba.
Hello everyone, my name is Charles Valenta and I am from Pampanga, 10 years old. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanood sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Maraming salamat.
I'm from Pampanga. Thank you po. Tinanggap ko po kami dito. Salamat. Nag-enjoy po kami. Salamat sa aking answer.
Now we're down to our last song. How about we?
Happy birthday!
Hi everyone, this is Iris Ronnie from Taguig City, and I would like to thank my handler, Tito Alex, and to Tito Jojo Alan for my makeup. And also to everyone who's been here tonight, so I hope you guys enjoy. And also to the organization, this is the second time we've been here by this night, so thank you very much.
Number 5, take it away.
Good day everyone, good day to the judges. I'm the Sarah from Tito, the city. I just want to thank my mother for supervising and guiding me on this right.
Thank you so much, Leah.